In this video we are talking about the explosion of near and if we now continue to go to the upside or if we see a larger retracement to the downside. As you can see, we had this longer bearish trend to the downside at near, but as we came into this demand zone where we saw a push in 2021 to the upside, then we find some support in this demand zone, then we push to the upside, and after we broke this supply zone to the upside we saw this bullish explosion. And after this bullish explosion we moved directly into the next supply zone. And this supply zone is strong because from the supply zone we saw this extreme bearish push to the downside. And right now we directly saw a reaction in this supply zone because as you can see, after we saw this daily body close over this supply zone, we moved to the upside. And here we just saw this wick and the body of this candle closed below the last wick. So the chance that we see retracement after these two candles is there. But till now we didn't saw a real retracement because after this massive push to the upside, the chance for a larger retracement is there. Because we are in a bullish structure, as you can see, with higher lows all the way and higher highs. So just if we're breaking this last lows to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then we are in a bearish order flow again. But I'm more bullish because, as I said, we are in a bullish structure and the chance is there that we directly go to the upside. And if we're breaking this last highs to the upside, then the chance is high that we find acceptance in this supply zone. And if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then we see even higher prices for near. But if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come back into this demand zone. And if we come back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entries right here and hodl it into the next highs. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market and altcoins like near, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find the link in the description. So all in all, after this longer bearish trend, we then broke to the upside at near, and after we broke this supply zone to the upside, we saw this explosion to the upside, and right now we came into this supply zone, and this supply zone is strong because we saw this bearish push from it, and we saw the first reaction right here. But after this explosion to the upside, the chance for a retracement is there, and as long as we don't break this last lows to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come back into this demand zone, and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would enter a trade right here and hodl it into the next highs. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.